Aloha, thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. And I always go over some price action, order flow, and market structure. And this is the price action market structure for Thursday, 2/23/23. And there is some news catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's go over. I've got 4 charts to look at. Let's get to it. 24-hour, Tuesday, large red candle. Wednesday, doji. Here we are, Thursday, Globex before the news event. And we have this green candle. This is the rectangle box target I've got set. This blue line here is the volume weighted average price from the day before, Monday. What I'm looking for here, either today or tomorrow, is for price to hit in this zone sometime. Where we've come from is this red dotted line, and that low is being supported presently 1885.3. So again, could we go below that? Sure. Lower Bollinger Band 1876.50, so could happen. But one thing here is this 223 anchored VWAP, and that comes in 97.3. So there is a reason institutionally for this price to be supported as we get ready for the March trade and the end of February. So that's coming in. Friday is T+2 month end. So we've got a big day tomorrow. Let's go to the next chart. Since we have our eye on the 24, let's do the 60-minute. 60 minutes. So here's our overnight pivot right here in the cyan color. And these are the 60-minute chart color candles. And what I'm looking at here is right here, this candle where we had the green and go above the overnight pivot, and it never looked back. Europe had a high, and notice this delta sell signal on the algorithm, 54 delta, a doji type candle. But we really didn't go too much below except for candle wicks, this zone right here. This zone is 039 to 032. So I'm watching this carefully. If I get a 60-minute candle that goes below this on either a close or a candle body, then the next zone below again is this overnight pivot zone, which again comes in at 1900 even to about 98.2, which is the exact pivot of the overnight pivot. Thinking in terms of handle range, which is 30 handle average for the last 3 days, totally doable and within striking distance. Okay, next chart on the Renko. Asia Globex right here, so you can see when it started, we basically blasted out of this cyan colored zone where that's the overnight pivot and the close of the prior RTH sessions, and we just really go all the way up to this blue Keltner line, and we stay there well into Europe. So an hour after the Europe Globex starts, we do come back, but we don't even touch the red line. That's not even happened here, the middle Keltner. So here we are right at the 1904.2, pivots way below here with fair value. And again, I don't know if this is going to hit, but with the volatility on the news coming up shortly. So let's go to the last chart. We're going to talk about structure. Okay, so let's look at these two profiles. So Wednesday RTH, we had some single prints. This area comes in at 87.6 to 85.2. Tuesday, that was the big sell day. All of this A period is structure on single prints. So think of it as toothpicks, trapped longs here. This is the A period from Tuesday, 221. And here we are, 223 in the Thursday Globex, and you can see we're over the overnight pivot on the profile. I'm thinking again, maybe we get back into this zone somewhere between 17, 15, 17, all the way up into this January month end T+2 close. Now, as far as timing on that, it could be Friday, it could be today. The handle range is an average of 30 handle range. So this is our structure. So we really haven't had big ranges so far. I expect a little bit more range on today. And that's my wrap for the charts. As always, trade with risk management. None of these are predictions. Again, it's just a trade journal for my video log. Aloha, take care.